The smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Convertible 5-in-1 Refrigerator. It comes in 8 different colorways: Luxe Black, Luxe Brown, Elegant Inox, Refined Inox, Real Stainless, Pebble Blue, Marble White, and Black Inox. It is available in 324-liter, 345-liter, 394-liter, 415-liter, 465-liter, 476-liter, 478-liter, 523-liter, 551-liter, and 670-liter. And it is 2-star and 3-star rated for energy saving. It features convertible 5-in-1, twin cooling plus, power cool freeze, and digital inverter. It includes 5 different modes, which are convertible with a simple push of a button, to suit your specific needs. Its Twin Cooling Plus system provides ultimate freshness, with separate coolers for each compartment. The separate evaporators allow each compartment to maintain its ideal humidity and temperature. Its Power Cool and Power Freeze rapidly delivers cold air to fast cool, or freeze on demand. At the touch of a button, Power Cool quickly chills food and drinks, while Power Freeze is great for firming up frozen food and making ice. Our digital inverter compressor runs at 7 different speeds for various situations. Even at night, Samsung digital inverter is super quiet while preserving minimum operation. Smart technology that changes your life. We design your home of everyday life. Samsung Convertible 5-in-1 Refrigerator.